It has been 3 active days of weather, although 2 days ago we had a hint of it. Yesterday it was full bore with severe thunderstorm warnings and those couple of tornado warnings that we had. And now today it's been winding down. We've still got to deal with active weather, but it's more of a nuisance. Scattered showers around. We've had some rain for the morning commute. At the moment, we're in a bit of a reprieve out of Keeneland. You can see some sunshine breaking through the cloud cover, but just look around on the Max Track. Shower up on eastern Franklin County, eastern Madison County as you get down around Stanford. They're hit or miss, and we're going to be dealing with those through the afternoon. So scattered showers, even some isolated thunder showers around. This is where the severe threat has shifted. They've got a tornado watch out, widespread severe thunderstorm warnings along this what looks to be a squall line pushing in toward the mid-Atlantic. So they're dealing with that. They've got a slight risk for severe storms right out where those warnings are. So what we're dealing with is this low and the wraparound moisture. Scattered showers, those isolated thunder showers into the afternoon. Don't be surprised if you hear some rumbles of thunder. But generally just a quick hitting shower, some gusty wind, possibly some brief moderate to heavy rain, and then they're through. And by sunset, between the sun going down, losing the daytime heating, and the low pulling farther away, things will simmer down in a hurry. So everything winds down this evening and overnight. We dry out. High pressure builds in. Saturday, the high starts to scour some of the cloud cover out. And then into the end of the weekend, the high transits off to the east, and we get this summery setup where you have this southwesterly flow around the high. And we start to really warm things up, and all the incoming systems just run up and over this ridge. We've had anywhere between 1/2 an inch to over 2 inches of rain over the past 24 hours, 9/10 of an inch in Winchester. Check out Moorhead. You've had almost 2.5 inches of rain. So there are areas that got swamped with repeated rounds. Fortunately, what we see today will be fairly quick hitting. But the other thing you have to consider going into the weekend, though, now the sunshine's returning and the rain's going away, that pollen is going to start to creep back up on you again. It's now grasses, walnut, and hickory, and Saturday we're going to be back to medium high levels. 63 degrees for the current temperature. If you lop Friday out of consideration, the weekend looks spectacular if you started out tomorrow. Mid-70s, partly sunny, beautiful Saturday. Starting to get hotter and a little muggier as you go farther along. So Sunday and then into Memorial Day, we'll hang on to that sunshine, but every day just bring that heat up until we max it out near 90 degrees. That would rival the warmest we've been so far this year. And it'll be elevated warmth for a number of days. So we're going to have a run of what feels like summer days to go right along with Memorial Day. Now, the warmest we have ever been in Lexington, the warmest Memorial Day on record, 92 degrees. We're not likely going to hit that. We'll probably stay upper 80s, but we've done that 3 times in the past. The wettest, over 1.5 inches of rain, not going to do that. We'll have sunshine and a dry setup. Not today, though. As far as this afternoon is concerned, highs in the 60s. Notice that low-end chance for those scattered showers, thunder showers, really starting to drop off after this evening, especially once the sun sets. And then into Saturday, we'll break those clouds up, end up partly sunny, and get back into the 70s. And then, of course, make that run into the 80s and stay there. So end of your Memorial Day weekend, some summer-like warmth. Eventually maxing out in the upper 80s. We will see some changes ahead, a cold front, some shower and storm chances, a cool down heading into that upcoming weekend. But that next chance for rain, we're going to push off all the way until, at this point, Thursday of next week.